Now, discounts are super similar to sales tax. It's just the opposite. Instead of adding, now we're going to be subtracting. Because discounts are when it's cheaper than what you expect. Okay? So, the hint is going to be the same. Okay? That anytime you're missing a percent, you need to use the percent of change formula. No, I should say formula. And if you don't know what that is, it's the new over the old, subtract 1 times 100. Hopefully you're getting the hang of that now. You've been seeing it for a few weeks. Okay? Now, so anytime you're missing the percent, you just do percent of change. So, for example, if you come down here to your practice, this one, there's no percent for. This one, there's no percent for. So on both of those, you would use this. On all the other ones, you're going to use this new method. Okay? And it's the box. And if you remember, we did the box on sales tax. It's the exact same thing. So, first of all, your example reads, a sweatshirt that usually costs $39.79 was on sale for 33% off. What is the cost of the sweatshirt before tax? Okay, and so your step 1 is you are going to multiply the old cost, or the original cost, and the percent of discount. Okay? And this will give you the amount that you will save. That's important. So you have your original cost, which is $39.79. And then you have your percent, which is 33%. So the first step is to multiply these two. Okay? So you have 39.79 times 33%. Do not forget the percent sign. So you're going to save $13.13. Two decimal places. Okay, so that's how much you are saving. And so because you're saving it, you are going to subtract this number from the original. So you're going to minus those two numbers. So you have 39.79 minus 13.13. And then you get your new price, which is $26.66. Okay, and this is your sales price, or your new or total cost. Okay, so when you go to a store and you see something is 25% off, okay, this is how you can figure out how much are you actually going to pay. You're going to see the percent off and multiply them. You can do that in your cell phone and then just subtract them. That's what I mean when I'm talking about that. This is real life math. This is something you could do easily all the time. You have a calculator in your pocket most of the time, and this would be an easy thing to do. I do it all the time in stores. Okay, so now, okay, I'm going to focus on these two as well because it's a little bit different, okay? Now, here you have $20 times 20%, $4. So you are discounting it $4, which means it's going to be $4 cheaper. So you subtract it, and your new price is $16. Now you have $95 times 35% off. Maybe it's a t-shirt and it's 35% off. So that's going to be $33.25 that you're saving. And so if it costs $95 and you're saving $33.25, you're going to pay $61.75. Okay? Now, how these ones are going to work, okay? You are going to set this up a little differently, okay? These two are going to be set up a little differently. Now, I'm going to try to explain it so it's not confusing, so I'm going to do it one at a time. So let's start with A. Okay, on problem A, let's have A right here. Okay, you're going to set it up where if you're getting a discount of 75%, what percent are you paying? Okay, you're going to be paying 25%. It's the opposite because percents have to add to 100. Okay, so you're paying 25 out of 100. And that is going to equal the $55.50. Okay. So, now as we're setting this up, you all know how to solve proportions. You multiply and you divide. 55.50 times 100 divided by 25. $222. So the original cost is going to be $222. Now just remember, when you're getting a discount, that means the original price has to be more. Okay, now for problem B, you're going to be paying, if it costs you 40% off, that means you're paying 60%. And you always put percents over 100. Equals, and then you have your 78 over X. Because you're looking for how much it originally costed. We're used to doing it the other way, where the percent's right here, that's fine. But it's always the percent over 100. The only difference is in this case, it's the percent you're paying. It's not the percent you're getting discounted. Okay, and then you multiply those two and divide by 60. So you have 78 times 100 divided by 60, $130. And if you notice, I didn't give you any of these ones on your practice because I know they're harder. Okay, so you have two just like these two, and then you have 2% of change formula. The yellow ones go with the yellow. Okay, so now you can get this done.